Hey, second graders. This week, with your shared read, Taking Care of Pepper, we are going to be looking at finding key details. Okay, so we know that this story is mostly going to be about taking care of Pepper. Okay, so we are going to read through the story and find three key details that explain how this little boy takes care of Pepper. Okay, so this is going to be your graphic organizer for the week. It has three different boxes, and that's where you are going to write your three key details. Okay, so as I am reading this, I'm going to think about what are the important parts of this story. Okay, so on page 56, I'm just going to read it, and I want you to listen for a key detail. Every morning, Jack wakes up at 5 a.m. He and his father go to Pepper's stall. The stall keeps Pepper safe from bad weather and other dangers. When Pepper sees Jack, the horse gets excited. Jack smiles when the horse gets all worked up. First, Jack gives Pepper hay to eat. While Pepper eats, Jack cleans Pepper's stall. He shovels out the dirty hay and sawdust. Then he puts down fresh padding. And then in our caption, it says, Pepper stomps his hoofs and nods his head when he sees Jack. Okay, so an important key detail in that section is Jack takes care of Pepper. So in this first box, I'm going to write Jack takes care of Pepper. Okay, and we also learned that Jack and Pepper are excited to see each other. Jack and Pepper are excited to see each other. Okay, I want you to finish reading this story and find two more key details that help us explain how Jack takes care of Pepper. When you are finished, take a picture of it and submit it down below. Have a good day.